Have you ever wondered what's the latest gadget making waves in the tech world today? What's that shiny new toy that's got everyone buzzing? Is it a phone that folds, a smartwatch that can monitor your entire health vitals, or perhaps a pair of glasses that can augment your reality? The world of technology is vast and ever-evolving, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The anticipation is real, isn't it? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Imagine holding the future in your hands, one gadget at a time. A gadget is not just a tool, it's a promise of what's to come, a glimpse into the future. So let's dive into the latest tech marvels that have graced the market. First up, we have a smartphone that's more than just a phone. It's a mini computer, a camera, a personal assistant, and so much more. With an ultra-high-definition display that makes colors pop like fireworks on a dark night, this gadget is a feast for the eyes. It boasts a battery life that can last through the longest of Netflix binges or the most grueling of workdays. But it's not just about powerhouse performance. This device is as sleek as they come, with its glass back reflecting the world around you in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a device that's as much about style as substance. Next, we're moving on to a smartwatch that's redefining what it means to be a timepiece. It's a fitness tracker, a health monitor, a digital assistant, and a style statement all rolled into one. The watch's heart rate monitor and sleep tracker can help you stay on top of your health, while the digital assistant can keep you organized and efficient. But the real standout feature is its design. With a display that seamlessly blends into the band, this smartwatch is a testament to minimalist elegance. Last but certainly not least, we have a pair of wireless earbuds that are changing the game in audio technology. With noise cancellation that can block out the world around you, these earbuds are a music lover's dream come true. They offer crystal clear sound and an immersive listening experience, but what sets them apart is their comfort. They're so lightweight and well designed that you might forget you're wearing them at all. These gadgets aren't just pieces of technology, they're statements about who we are and where we're heading. Each one brings something unique to the table, be it in design, functionality, or both. Now, aren't these gadgets something to marvel at? It's a showdown between the titans of technology. We're putting the latest gadgets head-to-head in a battle of features, functionality, and user-friendliness. Tech Titan 1, the gadget we unboxed earlier, is a powerhouse of innovation. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it's a testament to the strides we're making in technology. However, it's not without its shortcomings. The interface, though sophisticated, may prove complex for some users. Plus, the hefty price tag might have wallets crying for mercy. Enter Tech Titan 2. It's a bit more modest in its approach, but don't let that fool you. This gadget packs a punch when it comes to performance. It's user-friendly and comes at a more budget-friendly price point. However, it falls short in the design department, lacking the sleek allure of its competitor. In the functionality face-off, both gadgets bring their A-game. They're quick, efficient, and committed to making your life easier. Yet they have their unique strengths. While Tech Titan 1 excels in advanced features, Tech Titan 2 shines with its simplicity and affordability. So who wins in this clash of the titans? Is it the high-end, feature-rich Tech Titan 1, or the affordable, user-friendly Tech Titan 2? Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice ultimately depends on your needs, preferences, and budget. Who reigns supreme in this battle of tech titans? You decide. We've covered a lot of ground in the world of tech today. We kicked off with some intriguing queries, delving into the mysteries that keep the tech world spinning. From the smallest microchip to the largest data centers, we've explored it all. Then, we dove headfirst into the latest gadgets. Unboxing the freshest tech on the market, we marveled at their cutting-edge features, while also acknowledging their potential drawbacks. From the sleek design of the latest smartphone to the impressive capabilities of the newest drone, we've seen firsthand how far technology has come. Next, we put these gadgets head-to-head, comparing their strengths and weaknesses in an epic Gadget vs. Gadget showdown. We examined their performance, usability, and overall value, giving you a comprehensive look at what each gadget brings to the table. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and most importantly, stay curious. Until next time, this is Tech Unboxed, signing off.